Congress leader Rahul Gandhi is now en route to Surat, where he will be appearing in a Gujarat court in Surat to appeal against his conviction and 2-year sentencing in the 2019 defamation case. There you can see Rahul Gandhi accompanied by his sister Priyanka Gandhi Vadra on their way to Surat. In fact, three of the chief ministers, Congress chief ministers, are also accompanying him, as well as several Congress leaders are also accompanying him to Surat for this plea. Rahul Gandhi is likely to move the Sessions Court to set aside the magistrate order convicting him in the defamation case for a remark seen as an insult to Prime Minister Narendra Modi, where he spoke about the Modi surname and why do all thieves have the Modi surname. The former Congress president, sources say, will also ask for an interim stay on the conviction, which would then restore his Lok Sabha membership, because after his conviction, he was disqualified from Parliament. Now, the BJP has called Rahul Gandhi's visit to Surat with his sister and party leaders as a childish attempt to pressure the court. Law Minister Kiran Rijiju even said there is no need for Rahul Gandhi to go in person to file this appeal, but going personally is drama and it's a childish attempt to pressure the court. The Congress has said that it was not a show of strength, but that the party leaders were accompanying Rahul Gandhi as moral support and denied that this was a show of strength. But there are reports of some Congress workers getting stopped from arriving in Surat in Gujarat as they're en route to Surat to show their support for Rahul Gandhi. Let's just listen in to what the BJP said when it hit out at Rahul Gandhi over the show of strength, is what they're calling it, and Mallikarjun Kharge, where he denied this. He said it's simply support for Rahul Gandhi.
ये शक्ति प्रदर्शन नहीं है, तो हमारे लीडर है तो लीडर के साथ खड़े होने के लिए सभी लोग जाते हैं। एक मामूली केस भी जब होता है तो आपके परिवार के लोग जाते हैं, तो ये तो पूरा एक पार्टी है और देश के लिए लड़ रहे हैं। तब जब देश के लिए लड़ रहे हैं तो हमारे लोग पूरे वहां पर पहुंचते हैं और उनके साथ उनको हिम्मत अफजाई करते हैं, और ये तो हमारे पार्टी का लोगों का निर्णय है, उन्होंने किसी को नहीं बुलाया।
क्या ये हकीकत नहीं है कि राहुल जी, आपने ओबीसी, अदर बैकवर्ड क्लास, जो हमारे पिछड़े वर्ग हैं, उस जाति में आने वाले हिंदुस्तान के तमाम लोगों के लिए आपने जाति सूचक शब्द का प्रयोग किया। उन्हें आप चोर कह के आपने उन्हें संबोधित किया, उन्हें गाली दी, उन्हें अपमानित किया। और देश के कानून के अंतर्गत जब केस चलता है तो स्वाभाविक रूप से आज ढोल नगाड़े के साथ, ताम झाम के साथ, अपने परिवार वालों के साथ और कुछ मुख्यमंत्रियों के साथ आप आज सूरत जा रहे हैं। क्या आप न्याय प्रक्रिया पर प्रेशर डालना चाहते हैं?
Well, for more, let's go across now to Arvind, who joins us from Surat, and Sunil Prabhu joins us for more. And Arvind, there are also reports of Congress workers actually being arrested or detained, so they can't arrive there in Surat. But tell us about what are the scenes like outside the court?
Yeah, Gagi, before answering that particular question, we have the senior officer of Gujarat cadre IPS officer here, Ken Damo sir, who is the ACP of Surat city. So let's ask him about the kind of security arrangement that the police have made for this particular hearing, and also regarding your question. So could you please explain the kind of security arrangement that have been deployed for the hearing today?
लॉ एंड ऑर्डर की सिचुएशन के लिए कोर्ट की अंदर और बाहर की साइड, दोनों साइड पुलिस ऑफिसर और पुलिस फोर्स रखी है। कोई लॉ एंड ऑर्डर का कोई इश्यू नहीं हो इसलिए।
So, and also Congress party is alleging that several of their workers have been detained, house arrested by the local police here.
अभी तक तो कोई डिटेन नहीं किए हैं, लेकिन जरूरत लगे तो डिटेन करेंगे।
कुछ house arrest. So that's a senior IPS officer who is also the ACP of the Surat city. So other officers in the rank of IG has also just arrived to look after the security arrangement that have been done here ahead of the hearing. So Gargi, coming back to the hearing, so Rahul Gandhi along with Priyanka Gandhi and three chief ministers of Congress ruled states, Ashok Gehlot, Bhupesh Baghel and also Sukhvinder Singh Sukhu, all the senior Congress leaders will be arriving here at the court complex somewhere at around 3 p.m. And what we are being told is that a senior advocate, R.S. Chima, who represented the Gandhi family in the National Herald case, will be representing Rahul Gandhi in this particular case also. So the appeal will be moved at around 3 p.m. And what we are being told is that there will be 3 petitions. There will be one main petition and there will be 2 applications. The main petition will be challenging the order of the magistrate court. So in the main petition, Rahul Gandhi will be asking for the quashing of the magistrate order or setting aside the magistrate order, convicting and also sentencing him for 2 years in a case of criminal defamation. That will be the main petition. Along with that, there will be 2 more applications that will be moved by his legal team. The first application will be asking for an interim stay on the conviction till the main petition is disposed of. And the second application will be asking for a suspension of the sentence, the 2-year sentence that has been given by the magistrate court. Gargi, if you could remember, the magistrate court, after granting 2-year sentence, has also suspended the sentence only for 30 days. So that's where this particular second application will be moved by Rahul Gandhi, asking for further suspension of this 2-year sentence. So these 3 are the petitions that will be moved by Rahul Gandhi, and the legal team is hopeful that the court will grant urgent hearing today itself. And if the court agrees to hear the matter, then his legal team will be pressing for the hearing of those 2 applications. One, seeking an interim stay on the conviction, and also the interim stay, kind of an order on further suspension of the sentence. So unless until Rahul Gandhi gets an interim stay on the conviction today, he cannot get back his Lok Sabha membership. And that seems to be the strategy of Congress party, to press for an hearing today itself, and also to ask for an order on their first application, that's to get a stay on the conviction order. Only then he can retain his Lok Sabha membership.
All right, Arvind, they're reporting from outside the Surat court. And Sunil, the BJP has hit out at the Congress over what they've described as a show of strength, with Rahul Gandhi being accompanied by chief ministers and party leaders, as well as his sister. Though the Congress is claiming that this is just, showing moral support to Rahul Gandhi. Jairam Ramesh also tweeting that Congress workers are being detained.
That's right. This is no less than Mr. Karge, the Congress president, saying a show of solidarity when a family member is convicted. There are people who go around with him. And it's in that context that the Congress workers are rallying around Rahul Gandhi as he goes to Surat, and he's on his way. They will make that appeal. There is also a strategy in case this appeal and this conviction of staying does not take place, that they can still move the Gujarat High Court. So there is a lot of looking out in terms of how they want to go about it. There have been, of course, some misreporting about a possible surrender, which is absolutely not true. And as I speak, Rahul Gandhi himself, irrespective of the decision, on the basis of the vacation of the notice, has already started packing his bags and is in an advanced stage and will shift in well ahead of the deadline given to him by the Lok Sabha Secretariat to leave his residence. So all possible options are being looked at, but they will definitely, and all eyes are on Surat, where they hope to get that relief today in the stay of the sentence as well as of the conviction, so as to allow Rahul Gandhi's disqualification notice to be restored, as we saw in the Lakshadweep MP's case. So it's in that backdrop we will have to wait and see how things play out in Surat once the court is moved later on this afternoon.